What up, people? Saturday in Atlanta. It's 11:50 a.m. You know what I'm saying? Just eating some food. Missing half of my order. I had to get half of my order away so that I can get half of my order later. But it's all good because I don't usually eat too heavy in the morning. Gotta send out some pictures and do some more networking and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know, just utilizing my photography skills to make some more music connections, as you can see. Little something, so you know. Just trying to make shit happen. You know what I'm saying? I got some food in my stomach, so you know, I feel a little better. But, you know, there's food in my stomach. Yeah. Alright, we lit. Alright, what's good? It's your boy Stiggity. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we about to head out. You know what I'm saying? Go to this event. You know what I'm saying? How you like my hat? How it look? You like that? You like it? You think it look good? You think it look good? Yeah. Where I got this hat from? H&M. Shout out to H&M. But yeah, I'm still out here in Atlanta. About to go to this next event. Feel me? So super cool. This nigga. Yeah. Yo, this jacket though. Where you say you who's the designer?
Shout out to Roxy Lazama for the drip. Check it, yo, bro.
Fire,
man. She don't fuck around. Roxy Lazama. Come on, man. Handmade, man.
Fire.
Support black people, man.
Word.
It's different.
Y'all came out here looking like y'all came out the tailor. Feel me?
Come on, man.
I can't compete. You know
Shout out to the next shooter, man. Stiggity, man. Shout out to the bro, man. Double salute, man, to my boy Stiggity on the camera. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
The Stunna DIOR.
You already know the vibes. Big fucking Stunna is outside in Atlanta and it's cold, but you know, bosses don't get cold, we get money.
Hey.
I just freestyle first time, like a second time, I'm about to go a third time. Yeah, she like it that third time.
Feel me? We downtown. We in downtown Atlanta right now. I don't know exactly what street, but you know what I'm saying. We about to check out the vibe, see what it is. Feel me? Stay tuned, you know. I had to throw on the sweater because it was a little cold. But it's all good. We about to step in. Step in the name of love. Step in the name of love. Alright, nice to meet you. Stiggity.
Yeah, Stiggity.
Alright, from the Bronx, New York.
That's right.
From the Bronx.
Yeah, I was just up there, Manhattan.
A word?
Yeah, no, September.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love y'all city.
For sure, man. Peace. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Free to take a
Oh,
mask if you want to, even for later. Your risk, that's all. Thank you.
all right.
Getting colder and colder.
Yeah, for sure. Yo.
Oh, we out here. Stiggity TV.
Yeah. That's
Yes, we're having a good time here. We just got here, we're looking fashionable. Amen. We're looking apart. You know what I'm saying? All right, now we gotta look at here. All right? We fly out here, but we ain't tripping over this because I'm black. I got melanin. I'm worth more than this. So I ain't tripping on that. All right? You
understand? Like, they said, you know, you gotta dress nice. You gotta dress nice.
exactly.
You understand? Red velvet, guys.
You know what I'm saying?
We invest in that stuff. Y'all actually.
Because I don't need to.
You didn't even see the first picture you took. The first one I took was
What's up, man? The man behind the cam.
That's right. And we out here with EVO Agency. My man Stiggity over here on the camera. You know, he's doing that work. Even though he got that fire music right there behind the scenes. Y'all better keep up. He got that Afro beat, he got that boom bap, he got that trap. I need. We got my boy Stiggity. We out here. I want to say mid 20s.
Yo, know what I'm saying? We still in the A, up in K-Camp Studio. See the Nipsey Hussle mural in the back, rest in peace. Know what I'm saying? Tupac in the background. Up in the studio, about to see what the vibes is. You feel me? Hey, yeah. Hey. See the background? Yeah. Fire. See the vibes? You know what I'm saying?
Hold the magazine one more time. That's get a little close together. Get a little closer. Yeah, all right. So you stay right here. You come up small, low.
I'm Puerto Rican. I'm tight.
You fun. I love you. Yo, y'all keep running to y'all. She legit.
She keeping us on it.
Alright, guys. Thank y'all for coming.
Come on, guys.
Definitely check it out.